Experiments. Hello friends, I'm back with a new video. This new experiment. I know you are determined and to come as X. I will tell the experiment's name. Its name is how the glass is containing air. Okay, that only I am going to show you. So the materials needed to do these experiments are a tank filled with water, a food coloring, and a glass, empty glass. Yes friends, it is not empty, it is containing air. Okay, that only I am going to show you in this video. So don't forget to watch this video till the end. I am going to dip the glass vertically in the water. What happens? Let's see. Is it containing air? Yes, it contains. That's why the air is not allowing the water to come in the glass. Yes, but what will happen when I will slightly tilt the glass? Let's see. See, water bubbles are coming outside. Woo! Now, but why this happened, friends? Yes, this happens because when the glass is dipped into the water vertically, the air is present. But when it does not allow the water to come in the glass. But when what will happen when the glass is slightly tilted? See? The air is coming out by the presence of air bubbles and the water is present in the glass. You can see here. Yes. So thus we can say that air is present in the glass. Okay friends, now please make sure to like, share and subscribe to my video for my next experiments updates. Thank you friends. Bye.